Hey, welcome to the Coach's Corner. Today we are going to do the unboxing of one of our work from home kits. This box is from our warehouse to your agent's door, and this is what they will receive. So let's get to the unboxing. It's a simple process here. We're going to rip open the tape. On the box you will see that it is Microsoft authorized refurbished tape, and actually on the front it's really small are the serial numbers of what is included in the box. So we'll just open it up and see what your agent is going to get on their desk. So in here, the first thing that you'll see is our bubble wrap. This is your micro. So this agent is getting a 7060. It has the antenna in there if you are wireless. All the adapters, the power cords, and keyboard. Right here is your mouse. It's a keyboard mouse combination right there. And now this agent is getting a dual monitor. So we pack the stands kind of separately, and then the monitors actually just clip onto them pretty quick. So run out of space. All your power cables, your video cables, we do include the video cables to make sure it is dual monitor capable, set up, ready to go. More cardboard to protect your monitors. And then in here, issues with broken monitors being received. So we pack them in here. In here are more bubble wrapped, sleeved. Just lay it down right now. And this agent is getting the dual 22-inch. It's wrapped for protection there too. And then the second one is in there as well. And then the process to get them onto the stand is really simple. It's simple. Just clipping that in, snap, turning it on. So that is your full kit. So this is the dual 22-inch monitors with a micro, all the proper cables for your agent to set up things properly, keyboard, mouse, and your agent is up and running. So you may be wondering, how's this all recorded? Well, you got to stay tuned for a next future video on that. But until then, Invicta PCs is here for your work from home kitting needs.